In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock elements to prevent editing in Base44. If you've ever been working on a project in Base44 and realized that you or someone on your team accidentally changed something that should have stayed the same, this walkthrough is for you. We're going to look at how to use the revert option to unlock elements so you can restore them to their intended state and better protect your design from unwanted edits. First, make sure you're logged into your Base44 account and that you've opened the specific project or app you're working on. Once you're in, head to the editor view where you can see your layout and elements on the screen. This is usually the area where you manage your components, text, images, and other design pieces. Now, look towards the top or upper area of the editor interface for the option labeled Revert. The wording or exact placement may vary slightly depending on updates to the platform's design, but you're typically looking for a clear Revert button that stands out from the rest of the controls. When you click on Revert, what you're doing is telling Base44 to restore the selected element or the current state of your layout back to a previous version. This can be extremely helpful if an element has been locked, misconfigured, or changed in a way that prevents you from editing it normally. By reverting, you're effectively unlocking that element from the unwanted state it was in. After clicking Revert, give the system a moment to process. You should see the interface update, and the element or layout should go back to how it was before the problematic changes were made. At this point, try selecting the element again. You should now be able to edit it as usual, adjusting its properties, content, or position without restrictions. It's a good idea to double check everything after reverting. Make sure that only the changes you wanted to undo have been affected, and confirm that the element is behaving the way you expect. If you're collaborating with others, let your team know that you've reverted the element, so they understand why it looks different and can avoid repeating the same issue. Finally, once you're happy with the restored state, remember to save your work. This ensures that the unlocked and corrected version of your elements is preserved going forward. Using the revert option in this way is a simple but powerful method to unlock elements and prevent editing problems in Base44.